Catalina wine mixer. Look, acorns. Hello, esteemed colleagues of the world of internet. Welcome to my nonsense. Today we're getting straight to business. I have to make this pile of 2UZ into something useful. Also, I have an angel food cake here. I'm training him how to edit my videos.
Focus.
Oh jeez! No, it doesn't reach! Look! It does! It's really heavy! There you go. Look, it's starting to flake off. I hosed this entire engine down with penetrant, let it sit for over 24 hours now. So hopefully, some of it comes apart. Aga daga daga. Aga daga daga. Aga daga daga. Aga daga daga. Aga dug 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 dug. This is the bottom one. Oh, hamburgers. Come on. Yes! Loosen! This bracket is actually in good shape. It's dirty, but it's not rusted at all. Well, alright, alright, alright. Aga daga daga. Aga daga daga. Of course I'd leave the ones on the bottom for last because I'm intelligent like that. Oh, it's dangerous thing. Got it. Separate. Yeah. Whoa, jeez. No wonder that didn't want to start. Look how rusty that starter Bendix is. Oh, it's crazy. A flywheel is super rusted too. Be free, my engine. Be free. What in the Rube Goldberg machine is going on with this plug? Got it. Oh geez. Be free. Be free. That, my people, is a wild 2UZ in its rusty state of I'm David Attenborough's granddaughter. I don't care who you are, you have to like David Attenborough. So this don't taste good donut is the torque converter, which will be going in the trash. It needs to be removed. Time to remove the donut. Don't eat the donut. Oh, these are turning, no problem. Good. That's not turning at all, is it? Nope. That's not getting turned over. Hey, it finally stopped raining out. It's been raining all day. Gentling. Ah. Please don't break. Please don't break. Don't break. Ah. Somebody got that reference. Ah, there we go. Ah. Constant tension rust pile. I am so thankful my dad kept up with his coolant changes on this thing. These coolant jackets are mint. Absolutely spotless inside that coolant jacket. You can see inside the pipe too. When I drained this, no rust came out of it. It was nice fresh coolant. Yeah, look at that. You can see a thermostat down inside there? Nice and clean. Good job, Dad.
Yeah, this is a corrosion bucket and those water jackets are very clean.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is gonna be a good engine. Unfortunately, this plastic cover got smashed from the moose's antlers probably, so that's not gonna get saved. Come on. Yeah! These sockets are amazing! Fly! Something is wrong with my brain. I have Cartman singing Come Sail Away stuck in my head right now. The timing belt was just done about 50,000 miles ago. Before I go introduce a bunch of unnecessary FOD into the engine. Birda, 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 birda. Oh, fucking sweet. Yep, so glad for that. Like I said, the coolant's fresh. I love making messes. I'm good at that. That cover is savable. My gut is telling me right now to do this by hand and not use Dugga Dugga. Fine, I'll do the right thing. There's no precision if I use a tool. That way I can feel if I'm gonna snap the bolt. It still might. No, it's going really hard. I think it's gonna snap. Or not. Now I'll get into some of the silver zinc stuff. Still clean though. Last one in the alternator's free. Oh, that does not feel good. Hell yeah. I'd be curious to see if this alternator will still produce electricity. Because it looks like it belongs in SpongeBob's car. That looks like ground beef. That would give you ass worms. That is so nasty. I want to drop it off at the alternator repair shop and see if they'll rebuild it. Angel. Like,
that's disgusting. So, tell me if it works. My battery light is on. Disgusting and heavy.
What just fell off of it? What the hell? That just fell on its own. Just fell off. That right there was the only bolt I broke so far in this engine. And it doesn't matter because this thing's trash. Green zinc, my favorite. Fuck, I don't want to break that one. Last thing I need to do is break this AC compressor bolt. Hell yeah, I can't believe that actually came out. So this is some clever engineering. This little bracket right here, sole purpose is to catch the AC compressor from falling when you remove the bolts. The more I move this around the shop, the more parts just take themselves off. It's now the third day. I've been in the process of filming and editing car reviews while filming and editing this video, so that's why there's a little bit of work each day. I know a lot of you that watch my channel prefer these videos over the car reviews, but the reason why I do car reviews is to give myself a physical break from doing this kind of labor, and also because they genuinely make me happy to film. It's gonna need some more penetrant on it. It's empty. Ba ba bee, ba 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 boop. Ba 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 boop. Yeah, you're free. Other than the plug, I didn't unplug it because I'm dumb. Are you a particular individual? You're a particular individual. Angel, have you ever seen Idiocracy? Are you a particular individual? You need to watch Idiocracy.
What is it, a show?
It's a movie. They could make a sequel to Idiocracy, but it would just be a reality show. Because that's our life now. You are free! Weird coolant pump looking thing. Okay, Google the part number 10200 Alpha Alpha Charlie.
Oh, it wasn't typing. Try again. Vacuum air pump injection. That's the one that was in the valley, right?
Yeah. Well, that's neat. Look, acorns, chippy seeds. Can't even get a socket on the head of that. It's just like nothing left to it. There's like nothing left to it. It's like a fucking piece of hamburger. Maybe I can clean up the heads of the bolts of the wire wheel and then put more penetrant on them. Please do not snap. What the hell? It just crumbles. Strap door socket. I really hope this works. What did that do? No. There's no way that actually worked. I can't believe that! That actually worked. It actually took the bolt out. Don't break. Don't. Oh, that doesn't feel good. That's rounding it off. Or is it fucking working? Catalina wine mixer. Well, that one's a step. Look how clean it is. Focus on the nut, not my head. That's what he said. Oh yeah. There we go. Brackets off. I gotta try to get this pulley off. Oh good, these are just turning nicely. Oh yeah. Well then again, this did just have a timing belt and water pump done on it not too long ago, so this was all off. Holding tripod with one hand and taking off nuts with the other. Said no porn star ever. One nut, two nuts, three nuts. Come on, you airplane engine looking face. There you go. Fuck right off. Haha. Sea is solid by the seashore. Look, it doesn't even budge. I can't turn it. There's so much shit on this engine. I have shit chipmunk induced nose burn right now. Chipmunk. It was a shitty chipmunk that lived in there. That entire valley was full. Like it was full up to this plate full of chipmunk seeds and poop and all kinds of other stuff. But apparently, unlike pack rats in Arizona, chipmunks don't chew on wires because none of the stuff has chew marks. The starter is literally stuck inside here. Let's see if I can whack it out. There we go. Oh, you're still attached. Is that a part of a peanut? Where the hell did chipmunk get a whole ass peanut like that? Break free. And go. Whew. More parts. Oh, jeez. No, don't pee on me. I don't like being peed on. This isn't an R. Kelly video. Angel Food Cake, you give me an empty water bottle? Thank you, editor Food Cake. It might look like tasty juice, but don't drink it. These are the wrong pliers, but these are the best pliers I have. There we go. I think that oil cooler will be savable. Just gotta get a way to clean the aluminium. That's pretty far gone. Don't break. Oh yeah. This is a heavy harness. Oh, it's because it's got a starter attached to it. You can actually see the shape of a V8 now with all that nonsense removed from it. I'm debating whether or not I want to try to pull off the heads in this video or not, but I feel like that's a lot. I have to deal with this nonsense now. This is gonna be tough. Look at that, is insane. let alone these engine mounts. Hopefully those don't snap when I go to take these off. Also, if you're wondering about Angel doing editing, if you notice lately I've had a little bit more Instagram reels, that's because Angel. He's not editing the car reviews fully, but he's chopping them down, so I have like 10% of the work left to do at the end, which helps a ton.
I am your crabber.
What does that have to do with editing? The benefit of filming this over 3 days now is each night I've put penetrant on the hardware I was going to take apart the next night, and now I just gained access to a bunch of stuff here in the front. I need to let it sit one more time, especially on the motor mounts. Especially this guy down here in the corner. That one's gonna be tough. Last thing I'm gonna do is rush and break a bolt off on this thing just to get a video out faster. I wanna take my time and do this right, because next I gotta tear the engine apart and see what the inside of it looks like, which is gonna be interesting because this crank bolt and pulley is pretty stiff in a bad way. Which makes this a great stopping point, because I'm gonna edit this video you're watching right now and help Angel out with showing him some more stuff with some editing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.